What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing the shield form of Aegislash from Pokemon Generation 6. Let's get started in the center of our page at the top edge of the head. We're going to start all the way over on the left side. We're going to draw a curve that goes up in the middle and we'll bend that back down on the right side. Let's connect the ends with a half circle. Starting on the left, just going to bring this down towards the middle. Just going to round this out, pull this out and back up on the right. Let's go back over towards the left side, step down and draw that same curve. Go up in the middle and then down on the right side. Now in the center we're going to add a circle. Starting from the top, go all the way around towards the bottom of the eye and then back up towards the top. Let's draw the iris in the center of the eye. Starting from the very top, step down. Just going to bend this out towards the left and back in towards the middle. Go back up to the top, bend this out towards the right, and then back in. Let's trace the eye along the outside. Starting from the top, go around. Just going to pull that in, leaving a gap along the bottom. And it'll follow this curve, going out and then up. Now I'm going to place that large cone on top of the head. Starting in the middle, we're going to go all the way up towards the top of our page. Start with a point. From here, just going to bend this out towards the left and then come down on top of the head. Let's go back up to the top, go out towards the right, and then bend that back down. Let's add that detail inside the cone. We're going to step up, start with a point, curve out towards the left and down, and go out towards the right. Let's add one more. We're going to step up, add another point, go out and then down towards the side of the cone. Do the same thing on the right. Now we want to place the hands in behind the side of the head. From the top corner, step in, curve the hand going up and then out, and do the same thing on the right. And then we'll round out the side of the hand. Starting from the top, go out, down, and then back in towards the head. And now we're going to move down and draw a large circle for the shield. Starting right in the middle, underneath the head, start with the left side. And go out, bring this down towards the bottom, and then in. Now we're going to work our way up along the right side. And go out, bend this up, and back in towards the middle. Let's go back up and close off the side of the head. Starting underneath the hand, curve this in and then down in behind the shield. And then we'll add a trim. Stepping out, draw a straight line on the left and right side. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw on the arms. We're going to start on the outside of the hand and go down and out with a straight line. Go over towards the right. Just bring this down towards the same height. And we'll bend the arm coming down and then in towards the side of the shield. Let's trace the arms along the outside. We're going to step up on the left and go down and out, just lining up with the inside of the arm. And we'll curve the arm coming down and then in. Let's go all the way down to the bottom and add the tail. We're going to start on the left side. Start with a straight angle line on the left and right side. Angle this down and in with a short line. And then we'll go back out, coming down and out. Let's add another line, coming down and in. Draw two straight lines coming down towards the bottom. And we'll pull the tail coming back in towards the center point. And then we'll add that trim along the inside. Starting on the top left, draw a straight line. Do the same thing on the right. And we'll curve this down and in towards the middle. We'll bend this down and then in, go out and up. Now we're going to place those large wings along the side of the body. Starting from the left side of the circle, start with a straight line going all the way out toward the left, And then we'll line this up on the right side, drawing that same length line. And then we'll bring the wings coming back in towards the tail. Let's start on the left. Start with a short curve coming down and in. And the same thing on the right. Come straight in to the line. I'm just going to taper this back out towards the side. Let's add another curve, sort of aiming toward the tip of the tail. And was in with a straight angled line. And then taper that back out. Now we're going to add two more, starting back on the left. Again, just aiming towards the end of the tail. Straight up and in. And taper that back out. Now the last one, we're just going to tuck underneath the tail. Curve down and then in. And then we'll pull that in towards the side of the tail. Now let's go to the center of the shield and add 3 circles. We're going to start right in the middle, step up, start with the top circle, going all the way around, and back up towards the top. Let's go to the left side, draw another circle. Going that same size, going all the way around, and back in, go over towards the right side, and do that again. And we'll draw a smaller circle in the center of each large circle. Let's go to the right side of that center circle, curve down and then out. Go to the bottom of the left circle, go out and then up. And then go to the top of the right circle, curve out and then down. Let's go in between the top and left circle right here, angle up and out toward the left. Line this up on the right, go up and out. And then from the bottom of that line, angle down and out toward the left and right side. Let's go in between the bottom circles, angle down and out on either side. Let's trace the shield along the inside of these 3 panels. Starting from the top, we'll step down, go out and then down on the left. Do the same thing on the right. And then we'll do the same along the bottom. Coming down, and then back up. From that center point, we step out, draw 2 straight angle lines going up toward the left. Do the same thing on the right side, and then go out along the bottom. And now we'll add a trim around each of these circles. From the top, step up, start with a point, curve this out, and then down towards the left and right side. Let's go over towards the left, step down, add another point, curve up and in, come in, and then up. And then finally, we'll do the same thing on the right. Starting with that point, curving out toward the side of that circle. And that's pretty much it. There's the shield form of Aegislash from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.